Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says, this question consists of two statements, assertions and reasons. While answering these questions, you are required to choose any of the following four responses. So assertion given is, the primary function of all excretory organ is osmoregulation, which means maintenance of water balance and in the body. Reason, ammonia, urea and uric acid are the major forms of nitrogenous waste excreted by animals. Option A, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is true, but the reason is false. Option D, assertion is false, but the reason is true. तो चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए पहले हमें एक की कॉन्सेप्ट को समझना है. The key concept is basically understanding the functions of excretory organs. ठीक है, पहले हमें functions देखना है excretory organs का. तो they have, first is the main is maintaining osmoregulation. Second is excreting nitrogenous wastes, urea, uric acid or ammonia. Different forms of animals have different excretory wastes. So assertion, which is over here, states the primary function of all excretory organ is osmoregulation, which means maintenance of water balance. Osmoregulation means not only maintaining water balance, but also the ionic levels and pH level inside the body of animals. This is also comes under osmoregulation and all. Okay, so it's osmoregulation is a huge topic, but the assertion is true. Let's come to the reason. Ammonia, urea, uric acid are major forms of nitrogenous waste excreted by animals. This is also true because excretory organs is excreting out nitrogenous waste, which may be in the form of ammonia, urea or uric acid in different forms of animals. ठीक है, so reason भी सही है, तो assertion और reason दोनों सही है, लेकिन reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. ठीक है, because they both are functions, लेकिन osmoregulation एक अलग different aspect है, and excreting nitrogenous waste does not explain osmoregulation. Osmoregulation के अंदर क्या क्या आता है, जैसे वाटर बैलेंस मेंटेन करना, ऑस्मोटिक ग्रेडियंट क्रिएट करना एंड आयनिक बैलेंस को मेंटेन रखना, पीएच को मेंटेन रखनी. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड osmoregulation. Yeah, so it's a huge topic. So the reason cannot explain the assertion. So our correct option will be both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct option. Option B. So our answer will be option B. Hope you have understood. Best of luck.